Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we are going to design an exhaust valve of an IC engine. This is how the exhaust valve looks like. So we will design this using design modeler of ANSYS Workbench. We will start by double clicking on geometry. Next, I'll right click on geometry, new design modeler geometry. Units, millimeter, XY plane, look at. I'll go to sketching and choose line. I'll first draw a straight line and then I'll draw a few more lines. Next, I'll go for arc by 3 points and select these 2 points and draw an arc. Now I'll give dimensions to these lines. This H2 is 3.2, H3 is 27, this is 15, this V1 is 86, V4 is 1.3, V8 is 4 and this is 1.3. Also, I'll go to constraint and choose tangent between these two. So this completes the sketch. Next, I'll go back to modeling. I'll click on revolve. The geometry is selected. I'll go to axis and select the central axis. Apply and generate. Okay, this is 86. So I have created from here to here. I want to create this upper shape also. I'll click on face, select the face, new plane, generate, look at. I'll go to sketching and choose circle. I'll give dimension to it. Say it's 5 mm. Now I'll extrude the shape for 5 mm and generate. Again on this face, I'll create a new plane and generate. I'll click on look at and go to sketching. I'll choose circle. As we know, this outer circle was 6.4 mm diameter. So I'll give it diameter of 6.4. I'll extrude this for a height of 10 mm and generate. So the shape has been created. You can see here there is a chamfer at this end. So I'll click on chamfer on the surface and select 1.25 mm and generate. Also, I'll give a chamfer on this side of 0.5 mm because the edge is very small. So the chamfer has been given. On this face, I want to create a circle like this. So I'll again select this face, new plane, generate. I'll go to sketching and choose circle. I will give it dimension of 6.4 mm. I'll extrude. This will be extrude cut of say 15 mm and generate. I'll give chamfer to this end as well of 1 mm. So that's the exhaust wall of the IC engine, and this is how you can sketch it using the design modeler of ANSYS Workbench. I hope you have understood the procedure. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.